What's up, guys? Just taking a little stroll here by the office. It's nice, we got this little dock back here. Office is right here. And then you walk out here. This is Jupiter. And these boats come in, they pull in, different people can dock. You got Tiger Woods' place is just around the corner on the other side of this building. But anyway, I'm just going to do an update on another nice 30-minute cycle today. Just wait on that 30-minute cycle for dollar yen, works out good. It's the same thing we did on the euro. And then it's been really good trading on the euro. I mean, every time we get back to the top end of the range, you sell. And every time you get back to 117, you cover. And then I want to talk about crypto too, so I'll do another quick update on that as well.
So here's, guys, this is what I've been talking about on the euro. This purple or magenta line is this standard regression channel. One standard deviation. Did a pretty good job on the way up. I tend to use these to define our intermediate term, what we call risk range. All right, and just a couple subtle things, but just a quick lesson. Anytime you want to define a trend, by definition, an uptrend is just a matter of making higher highs and higher lows. That's how you define a trend. Now, there's certain places that these higher lows occur, but the first sign that that the market's gonna turn direction, and change trend is that you fail to make a higher high. So the failure to get above here, and when we dropped below here and created this pivot, that's a failure to make a higher high. That's always the first sign that the market might be turning. All right, we had this drop down, and then you had another subsequent lower high here, and that basically set in motion this downtrend that we've been in. So we've been kind of playing this on the short side, core short, and then getting more aggressive this week. So the bottom of this range has been pretty clear down here at 117. All right, so we've been covering, reshorting, covering, reshorting, covering, reshorting, covering. We covered into the lows this morning. So that's what I mean, covering into 117. And I've talked about yesterday, we've been talking about it as a team. This is a big picture level here at 117. If you take that out, then I think that opens up the door to more downside towards 115, which is the big closing levels from last year and the year before. So I want to see a daily close though below 117, and we haven't had that yet. So that's what we're looking for on the euro. I talked about on crypto, just updating. We've had a pretty good run up here. This is Bitcoin. When we look at the weekly cycle, we've had a good run, right? I mean, this was the higher low. This was where everyone was kind of freaking about the fork. And we've had 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th week up now. And this cycle is still rising. So I still think there's room to go to 5,000. We're going to be playing a core long for that, and much higher. But we did take some profit yesterday and today. And then what I'm waiting for on the next dip is something deeper. So the 4-hour cycle is high. If you get me a 4-hour cycle back down here, maybe back towards back below 4,000, you know, when the headlines start coming in that, oh, Bitcoin's back below 4,000, I'll be a buyer into these bands down here, 3,800, 3,900. And I think even the hourly cycle's high, yeah, so the hourly cycle's still high also. So I might nibble here, guys, if we get this hourly cycle to finish down lower. But everything's still bullish here, still long-term bullish, still intermediate-term bullish. It's just a matter of adding and reducing, buying on dips, taking some off, buying some back, taking some off. So I'll do some more updates on the altcoins. But yeah, I hope that helps, guys.